Has anyone ever told you the reason God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth is that you should listen twice as much as you talk? Well, it might be a lie. It might absolutely be a lie. And I'll tell you why. If you let someone talk and 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 talk, what's happening? Communication isn't taking place. There has to be an exchange back and forth. Talk, receive, talk, receive, talk, receive. And I'm shortening what actually happens in that cycle so that it won't take too long, because I don't want to be talking and talking and talking and talking. There's no ratio of how much you should listen versus how much you should talk based on how many ears and how many mouths you have. It's a learned and an acquired skill. Learn what a real communication cycle is. I'm not telling you not to listen. Listening is extremely important, because when you're talking to a prospect, he's got all of the answers you need to close him on your product. You've got to ask important questions. You've got to ask penetrating questions. You've got to constantly ask until you get the answer so you know exactly how to close him. But there is no ratio. You have to learn how to control a communication cycle. Otherwise, it's blah 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 blah, and pretty soon one of you dozes off. Okay, is that your goal? If you need a nap, just take a nap. Don't let people talk on and on and on and on. Don't be afraid to interrupt people when they need to be interrupted. In my business, which is a highly technical business of taxes and aviation and vessels, people call me up and they think they need to blurt out all this information that they want me to know. And 99% of it isn't relative to what I need to know to help them. So it's an acquired skill. Know when to cut people off and learn how to do it, and so it doesn't piss them off, and do it with some form of agreement. Grant says always, always, always agree. He didn't say always, 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 and continue to listen, continue to listen, and continue to listen. Listen until you get the information that you need, and then present them the solution to the problem that they're really presenting you. And the problem may be that they just need somebody to talk to. Be willing to have it. That's a customer in the future. Need any help with this concept? Give me a call. 916-691-9192, and find out why people say, call Tom. He really wants to help you.